In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Zoho Books, guiding you through a full 2025 update. Whether you're just getting started with Zoho Books or need a refresher on accessing this powerful accounting tool, I've got you covered with a straightforward walkthrough that's easy to follow. To begin, fire up your web browser and navigate to the Zoho CRM homepage. This is essentially your springboard into all things Zoho related. If you're not already signed in, make sure to input your login details to access your CRM dashboard. This page hosts various tools, and thankfully, accessing Zoho Books doesn't need much drilling down. Once you are on your CRM dashboard, turn your attention to the Zoho app section. Here, you'll find an array of applications offered by Zoho. It's designed to be intuitive, so you should see the Zoho app icon quite easily. Give that a click, and this will reveal a host of services available at your fingertips, all designed to enhance your business operations. Now, look for the Books option from the list that appears. A simple click on Books will set things in motion, taking you a step closer to tapping into the full capabilities of Zoho Books. This choice leads you further into the application suite, where you can manage everything from invoices to financial reports, all in one place. What's left to do now is to access Zoho Books itself fully. You'll find an option labeled Access Zoho Books. Clicking here is critical because it routes you directly to your personalized Zoho Books dashboard. This dashboard is where all the magic happens, setting you up to dive deep into your financial data, analyze transactions, and maintain records with ease. Once routed to your Zoho Books dashboard, take a moment to explore. Here's where you can dig into detailed financial overviews and explore features such as managing payables, receivables, and generating detailed reports that make overseeing your business's finances less daunting and more empowering. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully opened and accessed Zoho Books. With this guide, you're not just opening up a source of financial insight, but rather unlocking a suite of tools that underscore effective business management. Thanks for joining me in today's guide. I hope you found these instructions clear and helpful for getting started or managing your ongoing financial tracking needs with Zoho Books. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content tailored to enhance your productivity and ease your business management needs. Stay tuned for more videos where we demystify all things digital and help you get the most out of your tech tools.